Hello everybody, today I'm going to walk you through the tools that I have acquired for doing a lot of my videos lately, and I'm also going to do 2 unboxings of items that I've recently ordered for my bike, because I was using a couple of the items that you'll see that are in my creator toolbox. However, I experienced a lot of the shaking and it wasn't just effective enough for me to do filming or action filming while on the bike. So I'll show you what I got for that, and then I'll show you what I have currently and how I'll be using it. Alright, so this one here comes with this nice little button. Goes directly through the USB, and how I get it to work is by utilizing the battery bank, which it has a USB. This one, which is what I kind of put on my camera and on my bike. This one here comes with that little automatic button, and it's got that nice big blinding light. It's very small, but it's very effective. And the microphone. Now this microphone came just like that by itself. And I also found that this was a little bit smaller for my new iPhone 15. I did get this at a wonderful price of $21, which I think it was a steal. I did have to get this connector, which was $10, so I spent a total of $31 so it could fit into my iPhone, the new iPhone. I also am using my old iPhone 10. I had no use for it, but now I got it back out and I'm using it to do different angles. Alright, so these are the new items that I got in from my bike. The first item is this bike phone mount, and here's what's in the box.
Okay. Mom, something went wrong.
This extends to the size of the phone, so you find the width, and then that's where you plug this in to this rotating ball here. So put that one in there first, and then clamp them together. This is what goes on the bike. So you open it as wide as the handle will be, and you see it opening. So there you have it. Okay, the next one is this. So this one is the Ulanzi camera mount. I can also attach other gear to it at the top of that screw. So here we go. Wow, that's really neat. What's this little thing here? Qualified certificate. Cute. So let's see here. We've got the whole mount. mount. So this is what goes on the bike handle, this piece here. And these are the ones that you tighten once you figured out what angle you want them in, and attach the camera to that little part there. And we've got the safety one. So like that. Put them all together. And the grip. So that's for... I am going to install all of these on the bike, and I'll set up all my gear and walk you through the installation process on the bike. And I cannot wait until I test all of these and see if they are actually sturdy, they stay on the bike. And what I experienced in my last video of my bike ride around the North Naples side on the Vanderbilt area was a lot of shaking, and you guys are so kind, you didn't give me any bad feedback or bad comments, but I think it will help me if you give me any feedback. And thank you for watching that one, by the way. I did see where I could improve, and it was very, very shaky. New gear will hopefully improve the experience of the viewer and the experience of my own personal journey and my daily vlogs, blogs, videos, journaling, video journaling. But I'm having a great time doing it, so thank you for watching, and catch you next time.